In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch to percentage scale in Tradingview. If you've ever wanted to compare how much an asset has moved in relative terms instead of focusing on raw price levels, the percentage scale is the fastest way to do it. It converts the price axis into percentages, so you can instantly see performance relative to a starting point, which is perfect for gauging rallies, drawdowns, and side-by-side comparisons. First, open charts. Any symbol, any time frame, just make sure you are looking at an active chart in Tradingview. Give the chart a second to load and confirm you can see the right-hand price axis. That's the vertical scale running along the right edge of your chart. Now, to switch to a percentage scale in Tradingview, move your mouse over that right-hand price axis. Right-click and choose % from the menu that appears. The moment you select it, you'll notice the numbers on the right update from price values to percentages. This tells you how far price has moved relative to a starting reference, which helps you focus on performance rather than absolute prices. If you are comparing moves across different assets or just want a cleaner sense of a trend's magnitude, this view makes it much easier. If for any reason you don't see the % option, double-check that you are right-clicking directly on the price axis itself, not the chart area. The context menu is specific to where you click. Once enabled, the percentage scale will stay in place as you navigate, and you can still zoom or pan normally. Keep in mind that your visible range and time frame can influence the reference point for the percentage calculations. So if you zoom or scroll, the values may adjust to reflect the new context. Here is also a quick way to toggle this without using the mouse. Use the keyboard shortcut Alt+P to switch the percentage view on or off instantly. Press it once to turn on the percentage scale. Press it again to go back to standard price values. This is especially handy when you are analyzing quickly and want to flip between absolute prices and percentage performance during your review. That's it. Thanks for watching.